Tiling walls is a job that many DIYers have a go at, and as always, preparation is key. Start by making sure wall surfaces are smooth and ready for the adhesive. Then draw horizontal lines where your tiles will follow, and check that the cut tiles won't end up in a place that's going to draw your eye. Make sure you use a non-slump wall tile adhesive and apply it liberally for a good base. You'll need to insert tile spacers to allow for even gaps. Even the experts do this. Press each tile up against the spacer and don't press too hard, ensuring the joints are free of tile adhesive to allow for application of grout later. Don't forget to stand back and check your work, making sure that all the lines of the tiles are plumb and level as you go. When tiling close to the floor or near obstructions, e.g. around doorways, always allow a gap of around 6 mm to apply sealant later. This is especially true in bathrooms or wet areas. Once the work is done, you'll need to allow the tiles to set for 24 hours and then remove the spacers. With every tiling job, always allow at least 10% extra for offcuts and wastage.